Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how to engrave names on insulated cups using our fiber laser engraver with a rotary axis. First, measure the cup's diameter with a ruler and make a note of it. The diameter of this cup is approximately 16 millimeters. Next, place the cup securely onto the rotary axis to keep it stable during engraving. Then, adjust the focal length to ensure proper marking accuracy. Turn on the indicator light above. When the two red dots align, the focus is correct. Now let's enter the text to be engraved. Fill font. Set marking parameters. Since the paint on this cup is quite thick, we've set it to mark twice. Now rotate the content. Preview the marking position now. The engraved content is now found to be too large. Adjustments will be made. The current size is just right. Set the rotation axis and remember to enter the cup's diameter in this workpiece. After everything is set up, begin the first engraving pass. Second engraving. In just seconds, you'll have a clean, permanent name engraved on the cup. Follow us for more engraving demos.